Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up Facebook conversion tracking for Ninja Form Submission. And I will use Google Tag Manager. Watch this video till the end because if you are not so familiar, then this video could be difficult for you. So don't skip any part. And I want to mention one thing before starting this video. If you need an expert to help you set up your conversion tracking issue and also helping you to get more conversion from ads, then you can check my video description. I will give a link where you will be able to book a session with me. I have more than 6 years of marketing and conversion tracking experience. Right now, I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. So, no more talks. Let's start how you can set up conversion tracking. Guys, this is my demo website. It's like a marketing consultant site. So, if you are consultant and also whatever you are, your goal is when someone submit the form and you want to send to Facebook, this is your conversion. So that's mean if the form filling is your main goal, this video is very similar to you. Okay, so this is the form I made with Ninja Form. And if your website is made with WordPress, you already hear about Ninja Form, okay, which is very popular. And I will use Google Tag Manager because this is very easy process to set up conversion tracking with Tag Manager, okay. And of course your website must need to connect with Google Tag Manager. If you are complete new, just open an account on Google Tag Manager and copy this code and paste under your website head tag, okay. And then also, if you are not so technical, you will find some plugin for WordPress to enable Google Tag Manager, okay. So that would be quite easy. When your website is connected to Google Tag Manager, then go to preview. For make sure you have your website is successfully connected, okay. Here you can see this is the tag assistant and this is my landing page. I paste it, copy and paste, and then hit connect. After that, this website will open and it should be connected with tag assistant. That's mean I have successfully installed Google Tag Manager code in our website backend, okay. Now let's submit this form, type whatever and then press submit. Here you can see there is no thank you phase. And if I go back tag assistant, here you can see form start and Ninja Form Submission event I am seeing here. So this is the form who actually it came when I submitted the form successfully, okay. So this is the event that we want to send to Facebook when someone successfully submit this form, okay. So for that we have to go to event manager and create a Facebook ID or dataset, whatever you say. You will see this dataset ID like this. Just copy it and go back to tag manager, and keep in mind that our website is connected already to Google Tag Manager, okay. So now we are connecting the pixels with our website through Google Tag Manager, okay. So here you have to select the tags and tag template. You will find the Facebook pixel. If you are very new, then probably you will not able to see Facebook pixel template like this. So if you are not able to see that, you have to go on community template gallery, and then here you will see a button for searching template. Just you have to type Facebook and search, then you will see this, like this one. Okay, you have to search and then you will find Facebook pixel, and you have to add to this workspace, and after that select the template and paste the Facebook pixel ID. Okay, pixel ID or dataset ID, it's basically the same. Just paste here, and if you are very new, then keep the page view event, because this is the basic connection to Facebook pixel and our website. So select the trigger for all page, because we want to get all pages for someone visit our website, and we want to send this event to Facebook. And after that, this is the main part of this video for sending that lead event. Select again Facebook pixels and paste the pixel ID again, and choose a standard event through this list. And if you are not able, like if you don't like this event name, you can make the custom event. But for this video, I want to choose lead, which is very popular for submission event. Also, you can do subscribe, submit application, like whatever you like, you can select that. For my cases, I am picking this lead event, and then it's time to make a trigger. So for triggering, this trigger for news, let's just forget about that. Hit on plus and then select trigger template, and please choose custom event and go back the tag assistant where we submitted the form. Copy this exact same name and paste in this box, and then click save, and custom event with the same name. And you can easily customize this name and rename it anytime. Okay, don't worry about that. And then save. Facebook pixel, I want to keep exact same name here and save it. Okay, perfect. So it's all done. Now we have to test this event. Go to preview, and always I do recommend you, of course you have to make sure before publishing the GTM version, because it still will not work because we didn't publish this version. That's why we are here. Submit this form again, and here you can see our meta pixel showing our meta is connected and page view event already sent to Facebook pixel. And then submit this form. When we are submitting, and here you can see the lead event is here, so that's mean we have successful to set up this tracking and it is working. And when you see your tag is firing when someone submit this form, you are good to go. You can submit and publish this latest version. So thank you very much. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.